Just a little bit, right across the top. There you go. Good, good. Yeah, just keep it straight. There you go.
Starting to... Oh, what is that? There's brood on the inside of this one, honey on the outside of this one. Nothing laid, but there's room to be. And then this side, starting to cap some brood. Bee bred. No babies.
No eggs?
No babies.
No, just a lot of bee bread, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, sis, there's a baby bee hatching right now. Do you see it? If I can get down and show it to you. Right there. Just hold her still. Hold it still. Oh, she's almost out.